But what happened? Now the shock of say they mention your name.
Yes, I was shocked.
You be know they expect.
I don't expect that one. I swear, I don't expect that. I'm like, okay.
We move.
I was shocked. We move.
Wow. But your people, you've been hot them.
Huh?
You've been hot your girls now. You've been hot your guys also in the building.
Yeah, I know, but we move.
You're not gonna move. You're not gonna move. You're not gonna move like that. At least for a black boy, you can't just move.
Black boy?
Yes.
Why black boy?
He their house now. Seriously now. Let's talk about him though.
Okay.
Yes. At least even if you don't say bye to anybody.
Black boy, just him. I have Justin to say bye to. I was supposed to say.
I did not go there.
No, the way I'm focusing on black
No, I never mentioned that one. You don't help me mention them. So you had Justin to say bye to, not black boy.
I had Justin, black boy, Tabang.
You see, you still mention black boy. Which means I know what they talk. But would they come back to that? Would they come back?
Yeah, the right place.
Yeah, I'm at the right place, right? Oh, Miracle take you. All right, so Miracle, I go come to you now.
Wow.
We're supposed to call you the big boss.
No.
You know, it can't be like saying when you enter the house, like you assume the role.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm going to boss around in this place.
Spicy.
No matter what, I'm going to boss. But some of us or some people, they feel like say, if you like say you quarrel with somebody before when I enter that house, I don't know who, I'm not calling names. If you like say you quarrel with somebody, like you get the person for mind, and then as you come inside the house, you just go straight, go for it.
I never get in quarrel with anybody before the house. I never get in quarrel with anybody outside the house, after the house. I'm a peaceful person, honestly.
I need that mic up.
That's for me. I'm a very, very peaceful person. Like, I never get quarrel with anybody inside, outside, in the middle. I'm calm like that. It's just that when I enter the house, I wanted to give that energy. I wanted to bring that energy.
So you plan that energy come?
No, that's just me in general. Like me in general, inside, outside.
You even they sound like a boss already.
Bruh. Like me inside, outside. Like I love energy. I love to give energy. I like to be hype. So like.
Yeah, but you know they like you are calm. You are sweet. You are protective.
Yeah.
So many. You be like say Miracle be so many things to so many people. You get people where you build cage, protect them. Then you get people where we say you wetin remain, you pamper them.
Yeah.
Then you get people where you stand up to like, no, not here. And I know you know these people, and I know they mention names. But we'll go come back. I hope I'm at the right place now.
Yeah. Don't turn left. Don't turn right. Stay straight.
Juicy J.
Talk to me.
So you shocked us. We weren't expecting you.
Shocked you guys.
Like
Did I shock you?
like, do you think you don't tell you what's in the car, Shwebi? No, sorry, Miracle, you didn't tell him.
No, they come. That's why in Nigeria, they come pay
It come to price.
Pay price.
They could decide fabric.
You know the vibe.
Yes. Now Lagos Island will go. So you can see how we are now, right?
Yes,
you know
yes,
how we
yes.
are.
I know, love it.
Okay, you love it.
Stop it, I like it.
Yeah, stop it. I like it.
This guy. Now, I so many gists where I don't hear about you, but allow me to take this break. Once I come back, we'll go start off. First things first, actually. It's all about you. Don't be scared.
I got you.
No, we're not going to start with you, bro. Don't worry.
I got you.
Yeah, my cat don't sell already. Yeah, as the biggest children. Okay, guys, so welcome back. You get so many questions to ask, but me, I guys ask first things first, all right? So yeah, we the stream live. Find us on Facebook, on YouTube. You go feed. Nana, I'm so sorry. We had to stress you. So you guys need to stop.
What did we do?
No, you guys are leave her alone.
Nana is our little sister.
Our sister, our titan.
You know, guy reason we give yourself. We got gas poker.
Who are you?
I noticed that. I'm telling you guys have to stop. I was poking her. All right. So yes, I'm back to you, J.
Back to me, baby.
Yes, back to you. The juicy, yeah, like you brought the juice and everything. And I noticed also, I don't want to mention names, but I must.
Why don't you let me mention names?
Because it's so obvious. You guys are making me blush right now. All right, so I will still not mention names. Now, you feel like, say, you've been caused trouble in the house when finally they've been. By the way, I think you'll be one of the people where they're blessed with the parent. You think so?
Yeah, but I didn't have a problem at all with the parent. You know, I know people feel the way that they do feel. Me, I was blessed with a very good partner. Like, I got to know my sister, love her so much, and I understand her. You know, so whatever differences that we had, I got to know her, and I love her so much. So I didn't think it was my disadvantage.
Miracle,
or whatever.
stop again.
See my show.
No. He got to.
So-
he was paired with his sister. He got to understand her
course.
so much.
Yeah.
I love
Oli,
that.
oli.
I love that. But you feel like, say, you've been, you know, some people been step aside. I know why they ask you, because somebody don't sit down for this chair. Tell me, say, in be they look your side. But when you've been step up, both of them don't begin to get things. I believe you know who are they talk about. So she has to step back, not to disturb waiting on her get, because she respect them. She don't know whether they real or not, but she has respect them. But you feel like, say, you've been cause rancor between people who suppose don't become friends.
Hence, listen, I didn't want to cause any problem with anyone. I didn't want to make people fight amongst each other, because that's not me. You get what I'm trying to say? Hence, when certain things I felt were not were taken out of proportion, or maybe miscommunicated, or whatever, I went to go strictly apologize, because I just wanted to make sure that there's peace, that she gets where I'm coming from.
Okay.
Right? And also, they're friends. They need to keep being friends. I don't want to come in between.
But you think, say, that friendship continued after that time? You think, say, the friendship been there, or the friendship no day again because of you?
No, it continued after the whole thing, you know, because I just...
You think so, or you know?
I know that it continued, and
Okay.
you know, the other party feels they still love the other party as well, because I remember when she left,
Yeah.
she was saying, no, that's my friend, that's my I miss
Yes.
her so much. So
And she
the
said
con-
so much
the con-
wonderful
the-
things
the-
about her.
Exactly, the connection is there. It's not. There's no problems. There's no wahala.
From you. There's no wahala
No
from you.
wahala.
All right, but looking at that, you mentioned something here. You say knowing where you are coming from. Now you're coming from somewhere. But I really want to ask you directly. Do you believe in love now?
Yes.
But something been happened before now.
Where?
In your relationship before now. Somebody don't cheat on you before.
I've never been.
Because you thought that there's a story coming out from somewhere
Yeah.
that somebody don't cheat on you before.
Well, I've had those experiences.
Yes.
You know, and not just the cheating, but like where I'll put my heart out there and I'll get burnt.
And now why I ask you now.
You know, so you know, I've had those experiences before, but it's not going to stop me from.
So you're all in now.
For exactly fully in.
You're all in.
Yeah.
Okay. And you're in Nigeria. That shows something. Welcome. Miracle, you're laughing. Your own is coming.
Nah, I'm happy for my boy. I didn't happy for him.
I'm so happy. I go
If you
follow
believe
go get this. This shall show me. So let's go, Miracle. You know, I want to talk about you and the protective nature. Is it because now because say Kosi be your partner, or just like now the way you be with every other person? I notice a bit of with Iplang, but we could talk about Kosi now. Now, as if. Tell me really, what's that scenario about? Was that any time when Kosi and, most times, not all the time, Kosi and Yemi, and then you in between and all that? Is this like this protective person, or this person that feels like, okay, I don't want Kosi distracted? Guy,
You don't mention name now, see. You don't mention name.
I did not mention name.
No, it's okay. Mention name.
Okay, so what be that thing? Just explain that whole scenario.
So honestly, I just explain the whole scenario.
Yes.
So you get to be like, you get your paddy. Sure, you understand? And your paddy go always there for your paddy neck, no matter what.
But your paddy get paddy.
My paddy get paddy, but at the same time, that paddy, if she go, I go. That other paddy, if she no go,
Oh,
you
if
no
she
go.
go, you go.
Exactly.
Miracle.
You get everything they talk. So I guys carry her matter for my head.
I get you
Even
now.
that day when she entered that conflict with my sister here,
Yes.
I enter am like that because if she do anything stupid, now me go face consequences about not only her. She understand. So I won't lie, my feelings for her at the time, they definitely are they aided to the whole protection. But that's just how I be as person. Like if I get your back, I get your back regardless. Or my sister, if I get there, if they enter fight, they enter fight with me. If my brother enter fight, they enter fight with me. Because I always have people. But if I love you like that,
Yes.
I go always stay with you like that.
Awesome.
Then
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, but like towards this, as the season moved on, me and Coach's relationship just became mutually partner. You
Yes.
get my back, I got
Yes.
your back. That's how.
Yeah, but Yemi, they comfortable with that because that relationship, they defined, to understand. So guy, am I in competition with you? You want to take my girl, or you just protecting my girl? But you don't need to protect my girl. I'm here.
Nah.
But understand him. So why you not take our time to sit Yemi down to talk to him?
Me and Yemi, we'll talk.
Why don't I not come up for her? Why not talk to her inside her house?
I mean, things happen in the house, and I mean, it wasn't
Was it
just
ego? Was it like some pride play? Yes, it was.
I mean, it depends on how you look at it. It depends on how you look at everything. You know what I mean? I feel like we're both grown-ass men, and we'll definitely have a conversation.
Awesome. Back to you, Nana. Baby girl, I one thing why I don't understand be say sometimes you go just you just be yourself. You're so pretty. You go just be yourself. They do your thing. But anytime where you and somebody get wahala, maybe you and the person get small, it can't be like say you go do makeup, can't dress up very well. Why
Really?
that? I noticed, really. I can't say she's so pretty. Look at her. But sometimes they just leave herself and then go there. Now when they can't get small hitch, I tell you what I observe. I'm talking about Black Boy right now. I'm serious. But why? Why so? Yes, you dress well, then you not start being more lively. You're not showing that part of you where we really want to see from beginning. You know what I'm saying.
Seriously, I don't know, but
You know, darling. See her calm voice.
but to be sincere, me and Black Boy.
Yes.
Whenever we fight, whenever we have issue, I just think he's someone that I know he will come back. So just try to add up spices.
So that was you adding spices. Yeah, I know. I wasn't talking nonsense. I know. So that was you adding.
Yeah, because he will come back.
Yo!
He will
He
come
always
back.
does.
And he always does.
And he always does.
Yeah.
He always does. So let's talk about Justin. Where did we mix up this thing? Where we be the look say what make we minus this person, make this person not the block road, or who actually your mind been there?
Okay, let me start with Black Boy. Yeah?
Yes.
So Black Boy and I were cool from the beginning. I liked Black Boy at the beginning.
Yeah, because I also saw the duvet sleeping. No, it
Mm.
was just cuddling. Hello,
Hey,
you guys.
guy, I didn't.
You were in the hotel?
She didn't. Biggest hotel, you mean? You're already there now. Talk to me,
Yeah,
Nana.
yeah. So
Ah.
guys,
Don't look at them.
So me and Black Boy, from the beginning, we were cool because he stated his intention, and then okay, fine. But when I noticed he started going left and right was when he said he wants something, but he don't want to be committed. You get? So I'm like, okay, this guy is trying to act smart, and then okay. So I told him, let's see how it goes, and then that was when the other partner came, the other girl came.
Where was Blue? Explain Blue in the midst of this.
So that was when Blue came.
Yes.
And then when Blue came, we were still good, but I told him, I'm not ready to have something with someone that is everywhere. You get? So we were still there, talking. Blue came, and then I don't know, because I spoke to Blue. Blue said she and him, they don't have anything. They're just in the talking stage.
But you've been there jealous about.
No, I wasn't jealous.
Okay.
No, I wasn't jealous.
Okay.
So I noticed the guy started playing games when everything
Like he
became
was not
intense.
serious.
Yes, he was not serious.
And they wait
again.
for him.
So he was with Blue, and then I kept on telling him, Black Boy,
Settle
go,
down,
yes,
boy.
go for what you want. You
Oh.
get? I kept on telling him, you know what? And I'm tired of seeing you doing okay, just leave me alone. But as the boy is like that, he will not go. He always comes back.
Yes,
and then he goes to report me to Kosi to tell Kosi
Yes,
that, okay, I've cut him
barrister
off.
Kosi. Did you know you had a barrister in your partner? No, she be the settle cases. Meanwhile, she get
no,
out.
she did tell me. She did tell me.
She didn't tell you.
She did tell
And
me.
then Justin was someone that I was we're close, we're friends. The friendship was genuine. Even though I liked the guy because of his nature. The guy is cool, he's friendly with anybody there.
Sweet.
He wasn't playing games with anybody there.
He's sweet.
I saw that.
So that was how me and Justin became close,
Yes.
you get. And then even the Black Boy at some point, he's always asking me, what's up with you and Justin? What's up with you? Bro, you had someone.
Imagine.
So why are you coming to me
So
and
who
asking me
are
about...
Who are we dating now? Who are we with now?
We're not dating, we're just there, we're cool friends.
Okay, who are we hanging with now?
We're hanging with Justin.
Justin, wow, that hair. We need the hairstylist.
with the good hair.
Juju with a good hair.
Yes, okay. Justin with the good hair. All right, moving on now. Miracle OP, I want to make you talk to me about e-playing.
Okay.
Now, I want to understand whether not the virtual power or not just say because. Because, hey,
No,
I never finish. Okay, answer.
No.
Go ahead.
My sister finished.
No,
I'll make you finish.
I'm done now. I lost the train.
The train of thought.
Yes.
You went left.
I lost it.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
All right.
No, not for Epileng.
Okay.
It was before the veto power, this thing. I
Okay.
even know, if she picked me for that veto power, I go day very, very like
Okay.
shocked. And shocked in a way of, why would you? Because to play.
Ooh. But you did a lot. Why not you? You
No.
remember when she said she want go sleep? You said when she go sleep, you go listen to Big. I say sleep, no, they're hungry that time. Like you were so much more to her.
I appreciated her because when a woman gets to allow a man be vulnerable,
Okay.
like, and just for him to be himself free and she understands you perfectly. Like, Epileng was my comfort zone and I loved it.
Wow.
And the funny thing about it is that I knew she was not good. Even that, like, I think the night before the veto power thing was a Sunday night where it's like lying down under the stars.
Yeah.
I told her, I don't know how you'll make it to the final, but I know you're making it to the final.
Yeah.
Because like she was a girl that didn't have confidence in herself going into the house, and I loved like her journey throughout the house was amazing.
Yeah.
And I told her literally that pick with your game mentality for the veto power. And I love what she did. I wouldn't have picked a boo-boo because in the house I thought a boo-boo was very strong outside. I'll have definitely taken somebody I felt would have not given me competition on the outside, because when it comes to the final five, it's literally whoever has the highest amount of fans wins. You know what I mean? So her picking a boo-boo was strategic for her.
Yeah.
I knew she wasn't going to pick Black Boy. I knew she wasn't going to pick me, and I knew she wasn't going to pick
Whoa.
Tati. So it was not
So
surprising.
yeah, she played a good game there.
Yeah, very good game.
Juicy J, back to you. So some friends they wonder say if Juicy J no they felt like that relationship be take you in, show you out. Did you feel so?
No.
Why?
was-
But the fans they feel like that. They feel like say you get more where you supposed give to them, but you no give them because of the relationship where you've been there in. Because you were like always
listen,
enclosed.
I gave everything to the show, like everything.
Good.
If you watched, you saw me in every
Games?
single aspect of my life.
Facts.
You
Activities?
saw me.
Facts.
You saw my vulnerable side.
Facts.
You saw me when I was happy and
Yeah.
energetic and doing stuff. I was involved in wager tasks.
Yeah.
I was competitive in any games that we would play.
And we also saw the kisses.
Well, listen,
What a man.
that's what I'm saying. You saw everything. I gave
Everything.
everything.
Yeah.
All right. But talk to me about the pairing now. You think that's like one of the best thing that happened? Or one of like the things where make be like, let's assume you are to give Biggie an advice.
Yeah.
Like, what do you think about that pairing?
I think in what Big Brother has been trying to achieve, because if you look at the greater picture of Big Brother Titans, two nations coming together
Yeah.
from different parts of Africa, you get me? The main aim, the bigger picture, is to send a message out there to say, listen, we are one. We are brothers and sisters. Do you get what I'm trying to say?
Talk your talk.
Despite of where we come from, we are one, and we should meet each other from a human standpoint.
Talk your talk.
And show love and kindness to each other
Yes,
as
sir.
Africans.
Yes, sir.
Aside.
Right.
Okay, go ahead.
So that's the bigger picture, right? I think with the pairing as well, that's what kind of drew me to kind of like really know Olivia, to know her struggles, where she comes from. I connected with her from like at a deep level, and I'm like, listen, hence I was like, listen, you know what? Actually, there's a lot about you that I see in myself
So-
as well. You remind me of my younger sister at home. The way I show you love and how I connect with you, the same way I connect with my younger sister at home, and you're not my blood sister. Do you get me? I'm not looking at this pairing thing from a game point of view.
Perspective.
Obviously, there's that, right?
Yeah.
And that's where, obviously, because I'm always in a team environment. I'm as strong as the weakest team member in my team.
Okay.
I need to encourage them. If I see this, okay, Olivia, this is her weakness. I need to motivate her to kind of like, you know what? Let's push you this way so that you get out your comfort zone, so that you do this, so you do that. Like, that's obviously the game mentality thing.
Yes.
But in terms of the connection, it's a lifetime connection. I've built a lifetime connection with Olivia. That's my sister for life.
Awesome. And I love that. I love that. Big ups, big ups. And Miracle, I could talk to you about...
Talk to me.
Yes. I want to make you mention some of the relationships where you get in the house, the friendship, the true bonding where you receive in that house, where you're very much grateful for.
Yeah. Number 1, Juicy J.
Jay.
Let's go. This is
I like the way you hype me. Say it again.
Juicy J.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Nah, but Juicy
these
for
guys.
sure. This man, I can remember like there was one time I was just feeling down. I saw him outside. I was like, "Yo, Juicy, let's sing a song." Like,
Yeah.
And you don't sing that song here today before you go.
Let's go. Eyo haya, ta na na
I hope it's not a war song. It reminds me of South Africa. It reminds me of South Africa. What's it about?
I did say this after we sang it as
a collective.
Yes.
the song literally means that I'm requesting for my brother.
Oh my goodness.
Now I want my brother. Please give me my brother.
What are you requesting for, sister?
But in the context of when we were singing, because we were brothers and sisters together.
Yes.
Now, the song essentially says, "Listen, my brothers and sisters, come.
Yeah.
Let's grow closer together."
I love it. I love it.
I did say that after we sang the song, and
Exactly,
I
you
did
did, you
express
did.
how
Oh my goodness.
How it made me feel
Some
when
of the
it was
fans
crazy.
said that song has to be repeated. Please, digital copy that. The beginning of that song. We go. Maybe they sign out with that. And so welcome back to you, Nana, my love. Now, I also want to make you talk to me about the game itself, how it affects you personally, how it also been add to you personally. Because from watching at the see, I feel like you're somebody when they like they disturbed. You like to stay in your own corner. But this game getting to put you in the midst of how many people now? So many people, and then you get to survive in that. Tell me how the experience be for you.
The experience is crazy for me. It's very, very
don't
crazy.
disturb Nana.
But yeah, I love it because like it's challenging me, and I love it when like I'm like something brings me out, because I'm that person that wants to just be on my own.
I see it.
So, but I love it. Like I love it so much because now I can come out. Like I have to do stuff. The thing is challenging. Like it's bringing me out of my shell, and I love it. You get. And then for the show putting me out there, it's scary because I kept on saying I'm going through a lot.
A lot is about to go through you.
Stress.
You understand? You're out now, like
Yes, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I love it. Like I love it because
But do you miss your girls? I don't know. I don't want to call on a gossip this thing. Informants.
I miss them, guys. I miss Yvonne. I know,
Yes.
like Yvonne will be like, why did she go without hugging me? But I
No, she
love-
felt so bad. You
Yeah,
know, she did
I
come,
know.
then she turned.
I saw the video, and even when I was inside, I saw her
Yes.
coming to.
It be double blow for Yvonne
Yeah.
because girlfriend taken away and
Yeah,
love of her life taken away. Yvonne, like, oh my god,
Yeah, I saw it. I miss Yvonne so much. Even I've seen Jenny.
You've seen
I
Jenny,
have
yes,
seen Jenny.
yes.
I've seen Jenny. And
Jenny,
then Olivia.
oh.
Olivia is the only person that is left for me to see out there. Yeah, as like the
She
group,
better
yeah.
get that money.
Yeah,
Let us to take a break. Once we come back, we'll talk about going forward. What do they look out for from them? And then we'll talk about people whether they root for because somebody guys win the money. Who are we rooting for? Yvonne. All right.
like I think she's one person in the house that kind of like has been really putting her best foot forward and also being very challenged. Like there's a lot of challenges she has to go through. Like I remember some certain punishments that Biggie gave her.
Yo.
It's not the same as
She had most punishment.
other punishments. You know, like she comes out from a punishment now. Next
goes
thing
back.
again, punishment. She'll probably like survive
Back-to-back.
Tale of House. It's like, okay, I have a breather. Next thing, Biggie. There's this. You know, she's been going through a lot. Leave the emotion. I'm talking about the game.
But you were there for her. You were always trying to.
I'm talking about. I mean, she just won the Pepsi challenge now.
Yeah.
Do you see how that meant for her? Because she's been wanting a
Yeah.
win. She's been needing a
They
break.
do the Pepsi challenge when I leave.
You get what I'm trying to say? Even with Head of House, that's something that she's been wanting as well. She's wanting the Head of House thing. So
She deserves.
I really do feel that, you know, she's been gunning at it. She's been very persistent. Her grit, you know, has been tested a lot. So that's why I'm justifying my reason of saying her name.
Awesome. Awesome. Miracle OP.
Talk to me.
Yes. Oh,
Kosi, my partner for sure, who I believe I'll keep saying, and I told her biggest player in the game.
that girl is your G.
Oh,
Kosi is your G, but I'm wondering
Right.
how that relationship will go.
outside of the house.
Yes, because
good.
considering Yemi,
Nah.
who know if he said nah,
good.
who not really talk much.
About her.
Hey, Miracle, hold on. Now.
Sorry.
You never ever hear what I want. Oh yeah,
Sorry,
let's
I
leave.
thought-
Let's
no,
leave.
no, no, no,
Let's leave.
No, I want to hear that gist, so you don't give me a beg.
No,
I want to hear that gist.
No,
I want to hear that gist.
it's on the internet. So let's move. Miracle.
No, but
No, let's talk about who. Yes.
either Kosi or
Kosi,
Ipeleng.
yeah, why
Kosi or
Kosi?
Kosi because Kosi's strong. Even when we're partners, I don't understand why she kept doubting herself. I was like, bro, you're strong. You're very, very strong. And like she's played the game in some people's eyes the way it's meant to be played, which is fine. It's okay. At the end of the day, it's a game. Her strategy is working for her, and I feel like she'll win either her or Ipeleng or Tabang. Either two of them.
Tabang. Talk to me about Tabang. What do you feel
That's my
about
brother,
Tabang?
bro.
And you feel like saying they're real with the games where they play, or he's just like, let's just flow with the whole thing?
First and foremost,
You feel like saying age also they affect things?
Yeah, first and foremost, there are three individuals from the South African side I would call my brothers.
Who are these
Juicy
people?
J, Meli, and Tabang. Those three guys right there, I felt like they understood me and I connected with them. Tabang, from an intellectual point of view,
Yeah.
even more than anything, because for his age, he's smart. And Tabang analyzes everything. And even when he was head of house,
Yes.
I felt it was a point whereby I thought he was slacking.
It was
just
so
so
tough.
that no, you're not even tough.
No, it was so tough for some people looking at how in they handle
but do you know the
things.
funny thing about Tabang? Tabang, I felt he allowed Nana do more of the work so that there'll be less of a target on him.
Because everybody they out.
Yeah.
That's how Tabang, throughout that week, they were winning. They were winning everything. And that was it. After that week, Tabana was up every
week,
Monday.
yeah.
Yeah, you feel like say so many people don't like the.
If that became a single, Tabana knew the game was always going to go individual. So
Yeah.
he tried to get as much eyes off him. But I feel like me, Tabang, Juicy, there's something about us that our energies will not allow it. Like when it came to task, when it came to wages, when it came to Friday, and even and on a Nigerian side, Blackburn and Kanaga. Those were the people.
You know, I be want to ask you why in your conversation Kanaga never come up.
Kanaga is my brother.
Yes.
My blood. But even got to a game in the game where me and Kanaga knew we were going to put each other up in the game.
Yes.
Because we're both very competitive.
And there were no hard feelings.
There were no hard feelings. That's my brother regardless. And if he wins the money, I'll be very much happy for him.
Yeah, so about Juicy J, you not see that about Kanaga and Tebang, two of them.
Well, obviously, like I'm with Tabang, very competitive, analyzes everything, very strategic. You know, like I saw that thing from day one. I'm like, you see this one. You know, he's here to play a game. You know, with KJ, man, I got so many good vibes from him. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then at some point, he just kind of like made it very clear that listen, as much as there's this,
It's a game.
I'm gonna do what I have to do, and I
Facts.
respect that because he was very clear with like everyone, so you could just basically see
Facts.
who he is. So for me, we don't really get surprised if he puts you up,
Yeah.
you know. And I got to a place where I was connecting with him as well. I mean, there's a few people in the house that I kind of like shared certain commonalities with. You know, my story with my father and
Yes.
stuff like that,
Yes.
and Kanaka related to that. The love I have for my mom and me connecting that with Marvin, because Marvin loves his mom as well.
Yes.
Hence, I'm saying, you know, we come from very different, but we
Yeah.
share
Similar
the
stories.
same stories and similarities.
You heard about Mervin's story, you know, she came, right? She came.
Come
Yeah,
again?
yeah.
You know, she came to Nigeria.
Yeah.
So
A
you're
true
not.
Hausa woman. There
All
we
right,
go.
Nana. So who are we rooting for?
I
didn't say
have,
much.
Like quite few, but
Okay.
let me start with Yvonne.
Okay.
My friend, yeah. Just like Juicy said, she has like always she's always wanting to win. Yeah. So I think I know she deserves the money. Yeah?
Yes.
So like for me, the first person goes to Yvonne. Then my partner, that one is very competitive. It's very. So I think he is young. I'm coming from the age this thing. Like I want to see a young person winning because
Awesome.
obviously all the people that have been winning all these Big Brother things, they're older people. So
They're
this time
young too, no?
yeah, that's so like for him, yeah. Then for me, I don't know where this is coming from.
Yes.
But for Ebubu too, like I'm rooting for Ebubu because
okay.
I don't know. To
Oh,
him,
Ebubu is everyone's sweetheart.
Yeah, he deserves it.
No,
He
this
deserves it for
is why I
me.
said I want to take Ebubu. If Ebubu wins, I'll not be surprised.
Yeah, because
all.
like
I'll not.
he's loved, and I love the guy too. Like I love everything about him. You get-
Awesome.
he's just so like he's different.
Yeah. Now going forward, now what would they expect from Nana?
Expect like a
Wait,
lot,
okay.
like business, any opportunity that comes, like I'm ready, I'm open for everything. So expect a lot. Like
So go
use
come out
like-
this shyness, huh?
Let's go.
Nana no shy. Nana just
You know.
never eats. No shy.
So no hard feelings for anybody, whether
hard
inside the
feelings.
house or outside the
No
house.
hard feelings.
Are you
No
sure?
hard
I
feelings.
don't want to hear tweets now. I don't want to see Instagram.
Let's wait till a month.
Miracle.
Wait a month.
Yeah, you.
Me.
You.
Nah,
I don't
no.
want to make
My
anybody
sister,
go
you know
live
me
now or
now.
tweet.
No, you know
No
me.
hard feelings.
If I do it, correct me. Call me privately and correct
No
me.
hard feelings for
Never,
anybody.
never,
All
never.
right. So what do they expect from Miracle?
Wazobia, if you want to, you know. Wazobia, if you want to, you know. I'm open. My email is miraclecamp@gmail.com. No, but anything entertainment.
Awesome.
Movies, I'll definitely want to. My goal before the end of this year has been a Netflix series.
Awesome.
Podcasts. We started a podcast in the house called Talk Your Talk Podcast. Definitely trying to start that out when my boys come out. Like vlogging, skit making, anything entertainment, hosting, presenting.
Awesome.
I'll love it.
All
I'll love
right.
it, honestly.
All right. And Juicy J. No, you love rugby, huh? You love your sporty
Yes.
person.
I'm a rugby athlete, so I'm fixing my knee now, doing my rehab,
Yes,
all that,
I
and
heard.
then getting back to the rugby field as soon as I can, and obviously taking on the journey of being a Springbok, wearing the green and gold jersey, representing my country.
Talk your talk.
That's one of my biggest ones at the moment, and obviously getting back on the TV screens, baby. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Getting back on the TV screens, whether it's acting, hosting,
sir.
presenting. Well, I'm just there for the vibes.
And what to be your social media platform?
Okay, my social media platform on Instagram is juicyj_official. Twitter, juicyj_sia. Twitter, juicyj_official.
Yo,
Right. Miracle you.
this guy. First of all, I just want to say that Juicy has been trained to know all his handles. This guy has training.
Oh,
So if we mess up, it's because we're still
Please put
getting.
them through too.
As honestly, but my Instagram is _miracle_op, and my Twitter is miracleokaforpaul1.
All right. Nana.
For me, my Instagram is Nana official__1.
Yeah.
My Twitter is official Nana_, and then my TikTok is
You have TikTok? So I'm the only one that doesn't have TikTok.
Open it today.
I'm opening my TikTok, guys. It'll be called
Open
Tiki
it today.
Talking with Miracle Talk Talk.
Jesus. What's this? Tiki talking with Miracle TikTok.
Talk, talk.
All right. And just today, would they expect? I wonder what will be the first reaction once you see Yvonne. But we're here to know, and we'll go ask Yvonne. We'll go ask Yvonne when you go. I hope you're having a nice time. Is this your first time in Nigeria?
yes, my first time in Nigeria, my first time
Jeez.
outside the country of South Africa.
What a man.
You guys, I noticed
Ring a
huh?
bell
You
for this
guys, when I know
guy.
they like travel out. Why?
It's
You
not
guys
be-
don't like leave your country.
It's not because I don't like to.
Yes.
I'm actually really open to traveling around the world.
Yeah.
I think now that I've gotten the platform of Big Brother, I'll actually get to do that.
Awesome.
Also because, for me, what made me travel even domestically a lot
Yeah.
was because of my rugby.
Okay.
I didn't really travel much if it wasn't for the
And now
sport.
you're going to be married to Nigerian girls. But what do you
Yes,
think
it
about
goes
Nigerian
like
girls?
The vibe. I love it. Love it so much.
We are the bomb. Okay, the song. Before I forget, my listener will kill me. That song, sign out with it now.
Okay.
Juicy, let's go.
Juicy.
Somebody said repeat it.
Let's go.
Thank you guys.
Chook out. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.